In order to begin, we need a syringe with a taper tip like this. Remove the side brush and then remove all of these screws and make sure to collect them together so you don't lose them. Also remove the screws from under the battery. Now remove these little screws and take off this part. Now you flip it upside down, you should be able to separate the cover. Note the insertion of the connections. After that, we unscrew this little piece. So this small tube is for water, whereas this bigger one is for air. Going to the other side, there's a small valve and we need to detach the tube from there. And now what we're gonna do is to use the syringe to flush that small water tube as shown in the video. And we're gonna do the same to the valve and notice the water coming out of these dispensing holes. After we're done, make sure to dry everything out, then connect the cables back in place and we are good to go.